This mainland thing is a thing which upsets Manx patriots or nationalists, because it's used in a political sense. One never hears someone in Surrey talking about the mainland, meaning France or Germany or Europe too. It's a term which is used in the islands of the British Isles to denote our inferior status.
Do you think it's that, or do you think it's a term used to denote that whether it's in the British Isles or whether it's islands anywhere, that it's a small island near a bigger chunk of land?
Possibly, yes, but it seems to have a different connotation in the Isle of Man. It's a thing which grates upon many Manx people, this mainland business. Geographically, of course, it's quite correct, but people who use the term don't use it geographically at all.